In the aftermath of World War II, a shadow loomed over the European continent. The devastation was immense, and the fear of another conflict brewed. Amidst the chaos, leaders of the Allied nations gathered in Washington, D.C., seeking a solution to safeguard their hard-won peace. On April 4, 1949, in a grand ceremony, 12 nations signed the North Atlantic Treaty, marking the birth of the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, or NATO. The signatories, Belgium, Canada, Denmark, France, Iceland, Italy, Luxembourg, Netherlands, Norway, Portugal, the United Kingdom, and the United States, pledged to defend each other against any armed attack. The crisis that sparked NATO's creation was not a single event, but rather the lingering tension between the Western democratic nations and the Soviet Union. The Soviet Union, under the leadership of Joseph Stalin, had expanded its influence into Eastern Europe, creating a divide that threatened the stability of the region. The West, led by the United States, sought to counter this threat with a unified front. The establishment of NATO was a bold move, a symbol of unity and a commitment to collective defense. It was a pact that said, "An attack on one is an attack on all." In the years that followed, NATO expanded its membership, welcoming nations from Europe and North America. It served as a bulwark against the Soviet Union, providing a sense of security for its member states. The consequences of NATO's creation were far-reaching. It not only shaped the political landscape of post-war Europe, but also played a crucial role in the Cold War. NATO's commitment to collective defense and its peaceful resolutions to conflicts helped maintain stability in the region and prevent another devastating war. Today, NATO stands as a testament to the power of unity in the face of adversity. Its history serves as a reminder of the importance of cooperation and mutual support in maintaining peace and security. As we look to the future, the lessons of NATO's creation echo through time, guiding us towards a more peaceful and cooperative world.